I don't want this engine. You can take it back. My invoice says F series.
It doesn't matter what your vehicle, what your invoice says, man. You know what we're doing.
It doesn't matter what my invoice says, so you can just send me any piece of crap. That's what you're telling me. Hey guys, quick disclaimer. We did not start recording this phone call until things started really going off the rails and we realized that we needed some record of it. So in my defense, I was much calmer at the start of this call, which was about 30 minutes before we started recording. This is not what I ordered. I ordered a F-Series engine.
Okay, I just want to let you know if we do pick it up and if we do bring it back, you will be subject to a 25% processing and handling fee.
What did you say?
Because you sent me the wrong engine? I ordered an F-Series engine.
If you don't want to do that, ma'am, then if you want to send it back, you will be charged 25%. We did send you what you ordered.
No, I ordered an F-Series engine. This is not an F-Series engine. Can I speak? Is there not a supervisor that I can speak to?
It's over to Scott. He's our supervisor.
Give
me 1 moment.
That would be great.
Give me 1 second. Customer service, how may I help you?
Hi, is this the customer service supervisor?
Yes.
Hi. So I ordered an engine, and my invoice says that it's from an F-Series. I was delivered an E-Series engine, which I never would have ordered. Another quick disclaimer here. We do know that an E-Series 7.3 engine could be put into our truck with some modification and extra labor expenses on our end. However, we did not order an E-Series engine. We ordered an F-Series engine from an F-Series truck, and we did not get it. And the customer service person that I was talking to said that I'm going to have to pay 25% restocking plus shipping to return it. And I'm super confused because it's not what I ordered. This is out of an E-Series Econo line.
The Ford truck and the Econo line engines, the head block and internals, horsepower and torque are all the same?
Yes, but I
change them between each other?
when I ordered this,
These are the bolt-on parts, ma'am.
but when I ordered this, I specified that it was coming out of an F-Series, and he said it was. I said it was okay if it was an F350, but it needed to come out of an F-Series, because I would never buy an E-Series, because that can come out of a shuttle bus, and it could have 99,000 miles, and it could have a ton of engine hours. I don't want that. I was very clear when I ordered this over the phone that it was coming out of an F-Series. He told me that it was. I find it hard to believe that you guys are going to have us penalized for your mistake.
Are you willing to accept for us to be able to send out the correct engine for you?
So do you have an F-Series engine?
I'm going to have to contact my parts department to figure out why, if we have the correct F-Series available and what the mileage is on it.
This did not go how I expected.
In which way?
In every way.
That's...
You move on to like the next stage of like, okay, let's look for like the silver lining and let's, be happy that we're alive way quicker than I do, because I'm still super bitter.
I'm sorry that you're still better. Better. Better.
Bitter.
Better.
Bitter.
Better. I'm sorry that you're still better. Yes, it does sucks, but I mean, at the end of the day, there is nothing we can do.
My concern now is that, yes, they say they're going to send us, or they're going to find us a F-Series 7.3 with low miles, and they're going to send it to us. But if this is how they deal with things, if this is how they would be with a warranty issue, I feel like this, yeah. I don't even want to use them, but if I say no, I feel like they're going to go back to 25% plus the shipping back. And I do think if we disputed it with our credit card company that we would win, because our invoice very clearly says I ordered X, and they very clearly sent me Y.
I'm hopeful that they will be able to fix the problem pretty quickly, and that they'll be able to give us an engine of quality, what we ordered. I mean, we ordered their premium quality, 3-year warranty, 36,000 miles warranty. So even, I mean, I don't understand how good of a business it is for them to give us such warranty if they give us like a crappy engine to
because
start
I don't
with.
think they're going to honor their warranty is what my gut says. we're going to have a warranty issue with that crappy engine, and they're going to be like, oh, here, fine print here, fine print here. They're going to find a way not to deal with it. That's my gut. I don't know. I'm giving them till tomorrow morning, although I am going to call back before they close today. I'm giving them till tomorrow morning to find another one. And if they don't, we're out.
Yeah.
I do have to say, Mike at Goldie's Diesel, I mean, I really feel like he's a stand-up guy. He knows we're not from Tucson. He knows we don't plan on staying in Tucson. When we walked in today, he could have been like, yeah, your engine's here. It looks good. I'll have it done in 3-4 days, and off you go.
Anyway, Goldie's Diesel in Tucson.
So far
awesome. Is thumbs up. Hopefully it's going to stay that way.
All right. Is it late enough now that I can have a drink? Since when we left there at 9:30, you said it was too early.
It's always 5 o'clock somewhere.
I need a hug.
Oh.
Good morning, guys. So I did not sleep well last night at all. I kept waking up thinking about this engine, and when I finally did get up this morning, I knew in my gut we cannot take another engine from this company. When I see how hard it was just to get them to send us the right engine, I can't imagine if we have any kind of warranty issue. And the warranty is why we picked this company to begin with. So I'm going to call and tell them I don't want another engine. I just want my refund. And I have no doubt that they are going to go back to saying I'm going to have to pay 25% restocking fee, which is going to be about $850. The idea that I have to pay a restocking fee when my invoice says I ordered an F-Series engine from an F-Series truck and they sent me an E-Series engine is crazy. We'll see how it goes.
Customer service, how may I help you?
Hi, Scott. It's Sarah again. Listen, you know what? I don't think we're going to go forward with this engine. There's just way too many unknowns. The fact that we got the wrong one, that had been in a fire, it's just not sitting right with us. So let's just have you pick up this engine, refund us, and we'll be done.
What was the invoice number?
343241.
Order will be canceled. Once the engine's back at our facility, you'll be refunded.
100% refunded, correct?
I don't know.
What do you mean? Because it was the wrong engine.
It's not the wrong engine. It's a proper fitment for your vehicle. You're just not accepting it because it's an E-Series engine. The head block and internals are all the same, and we were doing you a courtesy by replacing with an F-Series engine, even though both engines are the same. So
except
they
that
charge you a 25% handling and processing fee and shipping cost to return it.
No, because I ordered an F-Series engine, and Joe promised me an F-Series engine. This is the conversation we had before.
F-Series and E-Series engines are all the same, ma'am.
He's saying they're going to charge us if we
sent
return
you an
it.
E-Series engine, which is an interchangeable engine, which states on our website that we do interchange engines.
It states in the warranty. It does not state in the purchase.
The refund will be issued minus the according fees.
Okay, hold on. On your website, in the warranty, it does state that you can swap out for a comparable engine from a different make and model. On the purchase, it does not say that you can do that. I talked to my credit card company. My invoice says F.
Your credit card company. We're going to cancel the order, and once it's back at our facility, you'll be refunded minus the according fees. Have a good day.
He just hung up on me.
Yeah.
That went pretty much how I expected. Although customer service hanging up on me, I didn't expect that. That is insane. I feel 100% we made the right decision. I don't want anything to do with this company. I'll put it in a dispute with our credit card company, and I really hope we don't lose this $800. I don't think we should. I'm going to get something from the mechanic that says that we got an E-Series engine, have him write something that says, the extra cost that would have been involved to even make this work. I've had good luck disputing charges on this card before. Never anything this big, but we'll see. Right now, I'm going to try not to think about that and to move on to finding us another engine, because we're basically back at square one. And this has now been, I think, 3 weeks in total that we've been wasting trying to find an engine. I'm done playing around. This has got to get done. So Greg and I spent a lot of time today talking about the situation and trying to decide what to do. So far, getting a salvage engine has not worked out for us. we do not feel mechanically confident enough to just go to a junkyard and pick an engine, especially since we want to leave the country and we want this engine to last us a really long time. After a lot of discussion and thought, we have decided to bite the bullet and to pay a little bit extra to get a Ford reman. But we are not spending $10,145. What we are getting is called a stripped long block reman. So there are components that we have on our current engine that are still good and that we can take and move on to this new engine. So the things that this engine is not going to come with would be your injectors, your high pressure oil pump, your turbo, which we just put a new turbo in, so that's fine, harmonic balancer, exhaust manifolds, that kind of stuff. I talked to our diesel mechanic and he said it'd be only a couple $100 extra in labor to move that stuff over. So once I figured out that this stripped long block was available, I then had to find out where to get it from. I called the Ford dealership in Oracle, Arizona, which is where we are right now. And I had the base price for the engine online, and I assumed that when I called them, there was going to be some kind of markup. Surprisingly, there wasn't. The engine is $5,230, and I don't have to pay shipping if I have it shipped to the Oracle, Arizona Ford dealership. They'll use their cherry picker to put it in the back of our truck. We'll take it to Tucson to our mechanic. He'll put our old engine in the back of our truck, and we'll drop that off at Ford to get our core fee back. This is more than we wanted to spend, right? In the end, I think it's the best way to go. This is a Ford reman. It's got a Ford warranty. It really should last, and we should be done. The extra money is a bummer, but in the big scheme of things, I think this is going to help propel us and move us forward and get us to where we can actually get back on the road for a decent amount of time.
All right, so we just dropped the engine that we picked up from Ford. Hopefully that's the right engine.
And hopefully this is the end of the
Saga.
The engine saga.
Yeah, I hope so too.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Keep our finger crossed. But the technician at the technician at
our mechanic at Goldie's Diesel.
Goldie's Diesel. So the technician at Goldie's Diesel seemed to say that it looked like a pretty good engine.
Oh yeah, he said it looked great.
Yeah, so that's a plus. That's a good thing.
And we'll have it back early next week.
Yeah,
I mean, a couple days.
We'll be done hopefully by Tuesday.
Yeah.
Which is super fast.
So hopefully.
Your finger crossed.
Fingers crossed. It all goes good, and we can.
And no bad surprise.
Get out of here and go to Mexico.
Yeah.
And Mike at Goldie's Diesel was really awesome and wrote us something for our dispute with the credit card company that basically says it was the wrong engine, we would have incurred extra cost, and also that it had been in a fire and was a piece of crap. So I'm feeling pretty confident that we are going to get our money back, all of our money back from our credit card company. So we'll see. We'll let you guys know and see you next time. Bye.